Hello, and welcome to the series. In this first program, we're going to introduce you to the structure of the course and mention a few key points that we would like you to remember. It'll only take a few minutes, but it's quite important. There are 14 programs in the series. Most of the programs include some simple exercises that are designed to help you apply what you've learned. The first 5 programs introduce some basic skills that you really need to understand before continuing with the rest of the series. The remaining programs teach a creative problem-solving process that you can apply in practically any situation. We recommend that you work through the programs in sequence. However, because this is a course on creative thinking, we also encourage you to experiment. So if you'd like to listen to all the programs first, and then go back to do the exercises, that's fine too, as long as you actually do the exercises. Skipping those would be a big mistake. In simple terms, it's the difference between going to the gym and just watching a video of people lifting weights. It's just not the same. Now, in order to help you do the exercises, we've included a course guide. You don't have to use it, but it's quite a convenient way to remember what you're supposed to be focusing on and to capture all of your notes. We've been teaching creative thinking for a long time, and over those years, 3 things have really stood out for us. First, very little of what we teach surprises anyone. Basically, deep down, everyone knows how to be creative, even though they may not realize this. Second, very few people actually put their knowledge into practice, mainly because over the years, they've developed the mistaken belief that they're not very creative, so they've tended to stop trying. Third, anyone can regain their creative ability. It just takes a bit of practice. And when they put their skill into practice, it can have truly amazing results. Thinking creatively changes the way you solve problems, opens up opportunities, and alters the way you relate to people. So this series will basically consist of us telling you things you already know in order to persuade you to stop stopping yourself from being creative, and by doing that, to discover some truly amazing abilities that you already have. Now, we're not asking you to take our word for this. We expect you to evaluate everything we tell you and to test it against your own experience. In fact, testing things is exactly what we need you to do. Improving your creative thinking is all about practice. It's a bit like learning to hit a golf ball. You can read about it as much as you want, but nothing really happens until you swing the club. Now, the problem with golf, of course, is that it can take a long time to play even a single game, and time is the thing which most people are short of. So you'll be relieved to hear that these programs only last for about 7 minutes each, and you only need to listen to 1 a day. However, even though the programs are short and the exercises are simple, if you take some time to practice, the results can be astonishing. Right, that's enough of an introduction. Let's get started. See you in the next program.